Welcome to IIT-IIM-Teacher.com. Introduction to Plane Geometry, Part 2. Brief agenda for this session. We will begin with supplementary angles. We will look at complementary angles, and then some of the properties of angles we will see. Supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of those two is equal to 180 degrees. For example, these two. One is 60, the other is 120. Another example. One angle is 123 and the other angle is 57. Sum of these two is equal to 180 degrees. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary to each other if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. For example, these two. Another example, 60 and 30 degrees. Look at some of the properties of angles. Consider a straight line. Any point on that. What is the angle formed at this point with this straight line? That is equal to 180 degrees. This is true for any point on the straight line. So the total angle at any point on a straight line is 180 degrees. So this angle is equal to 180 as we just discussed. Even the angle below is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, if we take the point in isolation, the total angle around this point in the circular fashion is equal to 360 degrees. So the total angle at any point, the total angle circular is 360 degrees. Let us consider a pair of straight lines, PQ and RS, meeting at point V. Let angle SVQ is equal to A. Because PQ is a straight line, the total angle is 180, angle SVP is equal to 180 minus A. And because RS is a straight line, and the total angle should be 180 at point V, even angle PVR is equal to A. So what we have got is that opposite angles formed at straight lines are equal. In this case, you can see clearly A. As you can see, this is a pair of intersecting lines and the opposite angles are equal. In this case, what is A plus B? The total angle at a point with respect to the straight line, that is equal to 180 degrees. A quick check. In the figure shown aside, find angle A. We will come back to this a little later. Let us consider parallel lines, AB and PQ, and an intersecting line RS. Angle formed by this intersecting line with the parallel lines are equal. For example, angle C shown in the figure. Similarly, these two. Similarly, any other pair of angles that are symmetrical are equal. So the angles formed by intersecting line with parallel lines are equal. The answer to the checkpoint is 80 degrees. Try out. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.